If you drink a cup of coffee every morning, what happens to your body? First of all, the antioxidants contained in coffee can have an amazing anti-aging effect on your skin, which is why coffee has become a star ingredient in many high-end cosmetics. Caffeine is an expert in improving blood circulation, is thought to prevent wrinkles and dark spots, and has magical pain-relieving effects. Whether it's a headache caused by tension or a recurring migraine, coffee can bring you relief with its mild analgesic effects. According to the National Institutes of Health, coffee intake has been linked to a reduced risk of depression and negative emotions, and people who drink at least 1 cup of coffee a day have a lower risk of certain cancers, particularly liver cancer. The caffeine and antioxidants in coffee not only protect your body, but also make you more resistant in the battle against cancer. Subscribe to our channel for more health information.